everyone, I am going to make some peanut butter fudge. I'm not sure how long it takes because I just cook it until it looks right. But we'll see if we can time it and let you know. It only requires Eagle brand condensed milk, and then I use the Reese's peanut butter chips. So first what you do is get you a bowl, and you have to take your Eagle brand milk. You open that. Open your Eagle brand milk. Get that off of it. And pour it in the bowl, and I heat it for 30 seconds to begin with. Okay, I had to get Ed to open it for me. I'm not quite good at opening yet. But you put your whole container of Eagle brand milk in here. And this even works when it's raining. I know a lot of fudges you can't make when it's raining, but I make this and it's pretty easy. And if I can do it, anybody can do it.
We even make this when we go camping.
Yeah, we make it when we go camping. I make it for the holidays because my grandkids thinks it's wonderful and they love it. All right, you put it in the microwave on high for, I'd start off with 30 seconds. And then I heat my Eagle brand milk. And then when it gets heated for 30 seconds, I pour a whole bag of peanut butter chips in there. Sorry. Ooh. And then stir, and you just keep stirring. And then I put it back in the microwave for 15 more seconds. You do it in 15-second intervals until it's melted and you're ready to pour it into the container. So I'm not sure how long it takes. You want to time it. This is 30 seconds. Alright, and that's the way it looks. And then I take and I add in my peanut butter chips. Put the whole bag in there and I stir it real good. And some of them are already starting to melt, which is great. Wish I'd have made this today when Uncle Cookie was here and I'd sent some home with him. It's okay, I'll send it to the kids' house. They love it. Alright, get all the things there. That's the way it looks. Now I'm going to heat it for 15 more seconds. You only heat it in 15-second intervals so that you don't burn your peanut butter morsels. You can also make it with chocolate morsels, but it has to be the dark chocolate. The milk chocolate don't turn out right for me, but I use dark chocolate morsels, and I either put walnuts or pecans in it. And yes, I am short for my microwave, so I have to stretch. But you take it out and you stir some more.
For the ones that don't know us personally, I haven't been around us. I'm 6'1", she's 4'10", so
we have to share.
Kind of hard when you build a house to make it fit for both of you. So it's a little low for me and a little high for her.
Yep. So see, I'm stirring it. You see how melted the morsels are? Just a few of them's not melted. So I'm going to do it for about 15 more seconds and try it, and we'll see how it looks. And if I think it looks good, then we'll pour it in the bowl. Hang on just a second. Get this spoon. I am OCD. I cannot stand stuff to be left on the spoon. Of course, the kids love it because they always lick it and everything. All right. Put it in there for 15 more seconds. And my grandson wasn't here. My grandson and my niece are both in band camp this week, so they didn't get to come, so I'm having to do it on my own this week. And boy, is it different. I love having them to help and learn the new recipes and stuff, so I will write these down so they can do them.
Barkley and Gracie's decided it's dinner time, so they're coming here to eat.
Of course they have. Okay.
They said hurry up, they want some of that fudge.
I'm sure they do. Alright, 15 more seconds. And that's the way it looks. It's all melted. I'm going to stir it real good. And then I'm going to pour it in my greased, I think this is an 8x8 pan. Let's see. Yeah, it's a greased 8x8 pan. Let me see.
It's a glass pan.
Yes. I use glass because I just like glass. It's whatever you want to do it in. But it works. You can see how smooth it is. I'm going to try to pour it in this pan. Can you help hold the bowl? I'm sorry, I don't have use of my hands very much, so he has to help me a lot. That's why I love just telling the kids how to do it and let them have fun. It was always fun to me to learn to cook. So I'm going to teach them to where they enjoy it. Then when my little ones get old enough, I'll teach them. All right. Okay, you can set the bowl over. Sorry. Yeah, my hands don't work like they used to. All right, I put it in the bowl, in the pan. And I'll take and smooth it out evenly. And then I'll set this in the refrigerator and let it harden. And it'll be done in about 30 minutes. Maybe 15 to 30 minutes, I guess. You know the consistency of fudge. When you get that way, it's ready. So I'm going to stick this in the in the refrigerator, and we'll come back and show you what it looks like when we cut it. Bye-bye. Okay, let's see. We're going to see if it's ready. He's ready to try it. So you just take it out of the refrigerator. This is the way it looks. I also make it just like this with the dark chocolate, but I add pecans or walnuts to it, and it is fabulous. And it works just like that. Oh, it's not quite ready, but it's almost ready. We'll go ahead and cut it for you. Alright, I'll get you a piece. See, it's not quite set, but he can't wait, so we're going to go ahead and get him a piece. This middle right here is still a little bit warm, but it is delicious. Let me get you a paper towel and let you try a piece. Whoops. Alright, if we'd let it set a minute longer, it'd been perfect. See, there it is. And it is great. Go ahead and try it. See how you like it. Well, you got a video you eating it. Look at him. He's videoing me, but he doesn't video him.
It's good.
It's very good. And I'm going to let it sit in the refrigerator overnight, and it'll be perfect in the morning.
Yeah, a little bit longer to get it chilled. It would harden up a little bit. But
he couldn't wait, so we had to get it.
The taste is really good.
Yeah. Uncle Cookie, I wish you were here. He came to visit today, and then I made fudge tonight. If I'd have known, I'd have made it for you today. But next time you come, just let me know.
That's for you, buddy.
And I will make you some. I love you, and y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.